empty seats on the last train home. Headlights smear through the cracked phone glow. I rewind every word you threw. Like a storm, I keep running into. You said what took on to know, but we bled like we knew it all. All the late night avatars arguing through bedroom walls. I kept screenshots, little ghosts, proof that I was worth your time. Now my heartbeat scrolls alone, searching for your typing sound. If I fall apart, will you feel the shake? If I break my cry, is it still too late? You're my gravity in full shine. Pull me back when I come undone. Every star becomes an ocean, crashing hard against the sun. If the road goes quiet tonight, I'll still hear your name in the white noise. You're my gravity in slow motion, and I'm tasting my soul. I got used to empty moons, talking to the blinking lights. All the plans we drew in ink faded into future lives. You were always half a step out ahead and out of reach. Still your shadow paces me down the center of each street. If I cross that line, would you turn your head? If I burn the bridge, can we glow instead? You're a gravity in full motion, pull me back when I come undone. Every star becomes an ocean, crashing hard against the sun. If the world goes quiet tonight, I'll still hear your name in the white noise. You're a gravity in slow motion, and I'm twisting my soul. I'm drifting, I'm drifting. Tell me, do you replay us? Do you hear my voice through static and dust? All these futures I can't touch. Stack it up, but it's never enough. So I let go of the outcome, let the past glow in the dark. If we never find the right time, I'll still keep you